I put in for my title. I put M.A.F.I.A. That's the dot. Stands for Make America Free and Independent Again. And then I put, I forgot the rest, but I'll take us back to 1776 before government was created.
And welcome to Facts or Frauds.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Alright, what we got?
She's going to jail.
Okay.
She's been suspended since 2019. She feels like she doesn't need to have her tags been expired since 2020. She feels like she doesn't need to possess a driver's license because of the fact that she is traveling and not driving.
Oh, so she's a sovereign citizen?
Exactly.
Alright, pull her out.
Alright, you requested a supervisor, right, Ms. Rosalind? Okay, this is my supervisor, Corporal Harris, alright?
Can I ask you, are you able to turn your headlight off because it's like right in
No.
the eye and it's difficult to see this gentleman?
No.
Okay.
No. My name's Corporal Harris. I'm a corporal with the DeLance Police Department, and this is my officer, Officer Leary. Can you give me Can you do me a favor? Can you step out of the vehicle for me?
No, sir. I don't want to step out of my vehicle. I don't need to. For what
Okay.
reason?
So this is a lawful order.
I understand that's a lawful order, and I'm asking you. I'm retaining my rights. I'm traveling in my private conveyance.
Yep.
And there's not, sir.
Go ahead, step out.
This is not legal.
Step out of the car.
Okay, I'm going to ask you again. I'm
Step
retaining
out of the
my
car,
rights,
do it now, or
and
else
you're
we're going to
violating
remove you
my
from the car.
Constitution. Sir, what is the probable cause for this?
You're going to jail. That's what the probable cause is.
Sir,
You operate in a vehicle with expelled. I'm not.
I asked this gentleman to please get the please. I asked this gentleman to please get the manual so
Step
that
out
I
of the
can
car.
show him that a private
Step out.
vehicle.
We're about to
I'm
yank
sorry.
you out.
I'm sorry, sir.
I'm about to yank you out. Step out of the car.
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
Gentlemen, I'm going to ask you one
Do
more
it
Go
now.
time,
ahead.
please.
Yank him. Go.
Do it now.
Do it.
Okay.
She's
You
resisting.
okay,
Go.
you are going to be personally liable for
Charlie,
this.
put the central chin.
Sir? Could I please have my purse? My wallet is sitting right there on the seat.
You're fine. Just relax.
I am relaxed, sir. I'm just asking your gentleman to please research your information. I'm not a disobedient citizen, okay? But a private motor vehicle, as defined, is capable
Charlie,
of
15
or more passengers. When I'm traveling,
Adult female 1015, you can clear the channel.
sir, I was on my way to feed the cats at the house, so
Alright, well now you're going to jail.
I will address this with the judge.
Yep, that's where you can argue this.
And your name was, what was your name, sir?
Can you feel that? Huh? Can you feel it?
Yes, Miss.
I was going to say, he's looking for my glasses there on the passenger seat. I just wanted to...
Okay, we're just getting ready to tow your vehicle. We're making sure we're doing an inventory, so that you can't say the tow truck or that we stole anything from your vehicle.
But I'm not consenting to a search for a vehicle. There's no problem.
It's an inventory.
I was not consenting to a search of my vehicle.
Okay, that's fine.
I mean, the tow yards around here are very trustworthy and licensed.
Okay. It's one of the warrantless searches, you know that, right?
And why am I being taken to jail, may I ask?
Driving while license suspended with knowledge and resisting arrest without
My
violence.
license was expired. I cannot be charged driving while suspended if it is no longer valid. I'm just going to point that out.
All right, you already said this before. You can argue this with the judge.
Yes,
now
sir.
is not the place to argue this.
Okay, yes, sir.
right.
As advised you, I did...
All right, cool. Yeah. Do you need anything else?
I did wanted to state I'm retaining my rights.
All right, that's fine. We didn't read you your rights.
No, all right, sir.
Do you want your windows down or up?
Constitutional right to travel, that's what I was advised.
Okay, that's fine. Do you want your windows down or up?
Do you know how long I'll be sitting here?
Well, we have to wait for the tow truck.
Okay.
I don't know when that's going to be, and we have a female coming to search your person.
Okay, and is he taking an inventory of my entire car? Because
Yes.
I'm not consenting to a search.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm going to put that on the record right now.
Okay, that's fine.
20 minutes later.
Alright. Good.
You can't fix stupid.
And thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell for notifications so the next time from your video you can be in a live chat with everyone else and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a huge thank you to our channel members Robert Morley, Ann D, Chris Kelling, CW1960, Goddess of Truth, Westside Girl Reacts, Existential Angst, Mike, Pat's Cats, Butcher Bird, Jason Heaton, Buddy Parker, and Colt Stonewolfe. Now, if you're still hanging around, thank you. Why not hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section, tell me what you think. And if you'd like to support the channel, hit that thanks button. Till next time, I'll see you soon.